guys, welcome back. How are you all? So today we will be playing PKXD. So if you don't know what's PKXD is like this really super fun game. It's like all about like making online friends, and you can actually play with them and get so cute pets. Like Lolo here is a very cute little cat. So it's gonna be really fun, and today I'll be showing you my house tour, and bonus, I'll be showing you my most favorite place in PKXD. So let's go. Okay, so first of all, here's this phone where you can like check on everybody. You have a Twitter page and so much stuff like that. Maybe once you like install the app, maybe you can find out it. It's really fun and easy to understand too. So there's nothing complex like over your head little instructions. But trust me, it's a super fun game. So my most favorite place is definitely the dance, because guys, I love the dance. And whenever you dance, it also glows something like this, which is so cool. Now, my second favorite place is the pizza place. Yes, I love pizza. And my third favorite place is this balloon area. And I love the arcade. So let's go back home and let me show you a little house tour. Let's say hi to Princess. Hi, Princess. Hi. You can also chat with random people if they're agreeing to chat, which it's she ignored me. Did she just ignore me and go? Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, let's go back home because Lolo wants to sleep. So let her sleep for some time. Till then, I'll give you house tour, guys. So let's go. Come on to the bedroom. Come on. You can't catch me. Oh, I'm the fastest person alive. Okay, come here. Lolo, come. Sleep. Good girl. Okay. So right now, I'm just going to show you the hall room. This is where there's a TV. My favorite thing here is the hot dog. And then after that, there is this really cool glow-in-the-dark looking like rockets, which is super cool. And I love this. This is my favorite so far because this is just super cool. And guys, I'll just go change my clothes and then we'll start. So my favorite room in PKXD should be definitely the bedroom because that's so cool and everything. Just a second, guys. Yeah, let's come back. Sorry about that. Anyways, so this is the kitchen where I can eat a burger, and there is this water fridge, and you can just like drink and stuff. Then there is this place where you get desserts, and this is definitely the dining table because no one can stand up and eat for sometimes. It's just like just sitting on the bench and stuff. Oh, my pet woke up. Hi Lolo. Hope you had a good sleep. And this is the hall room, as I said to you before. This is a very special chair because, you can just sit on them and just relax, maybe watch the TV or read a book or whatever. And this is a mat which I got for free. The next thing is my favorite part. It has to definitely be my room, my bedroom for that matter. I have this really cool glow-in-the-dark sticks, which I love so much. And I also have this cool like a cactus little drawer, and then I have this really nice bed with this lava. Can you see this lava, guys? See, that's the lava stick which I just got for 150 gold coins. That is super cheap, super cheap, but it's fine. Oh guys, I'm so sorry, but my connection got lost, but I'm back again, and yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, so I just love this because I just love this teddy bear and this lava stick, which is my favorite of all. And then definitely there is, and I also forgot the cat food. I mean, the food for the pet and the water. So you can just feed her. And then there's a bed, this little cool block. We can just sit and watch your pet sleep, which is really boring, but okay. Next up, we will be going, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Actually, no, the video is not over yet. I'll be just showing you one last thing which is very dear to me. this is the tallest tower in PKXD, and you know what, actually you can actually see the whole entire world from this. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, smash that like button. And if you want me to see, if you want me to do like see more of PKXD videos, let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye.